Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of x divided by x equals 3. We are solving for all values of x that satisfies this equation. Now, let's start with this first method. I divide this by 1, I cross multiply. Square root of x will multiply 1. I have square root of x equals x will multiply 3. I have 3x. So the next step will be to take the squares of both sides of this equation. Now in the square root here, eliminate the square here. I have x equals, for this, I need to distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. I have 3 power 2 times x power 2. So from here, I have x equals 3 power 2, that is 9 times x squared. And from here, I have x equals 9x squared. So I can decide to divide this by x. I divide this by x. X eliminate x, so I have 1. And this equals 9x squared divided by x, that is 9x, because this is to the power of 1. And if you have a power n divided by a power n, this equals a power n minus m. So this just like having x power 2 minus x power 1. That means we have x power 2 minus 1, that is x. That's why we are having x here. So at this point, I can rearrange this. I have 9x equals 1. I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. 9 eliminate 9. I have x equals 1 over 9. So this is our solution. Now I can also copy out this equation at this point, which is x equals 9x squared. I can form a quadratic equation by moving x over here. I have 0 equals 9x squared minus x, meaning 9x squared minus x equals 0. So right now I can factor out x from here. I have x times this is 9x minus 1 equals 0. So right here I can equate x equals 0. Also have 9x minus 1 equals 0. So this one here is solved already. To solve this, I move negative 1 over here. I have 9x equals 1. I can simply solve for x by dividing this by 9, dividing this by 9, 9 eliminate 9, I have x equals 1 over 9. So in this other case, I have 0 and 1 over 9. While in this other case, I have only 1 over 9. Now, that is one way of solving this equation. The next method will be, let's do it this way. I will simply express square root of x as x power 1 over 2 divided by x equals 3. Remember, if you have square root of a, this equals a power 1 over 2. So this is just like having x power 1 over 2 divided by x equals 3, and this to the power of 1. Now, if you have a power n divided by a power n, this equals a power n minus m. So this is power 1, this is power 1 over 2. I can have x power 1 over 2 minus 1 equals 3. So what I'm going to do will be to subtract 1 from 1 over 2. If you have 1 over 2 minus 1 is over 1, I find the common LCM, which is 2. 2 divides to 1. 1 times 1 I have 1 minus 2 divides 1, 2. 2 times 1 I have 2. Negative 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. That means I have x power negative 1 over 2 equals 3. So right now, what we are going to do will be to raise each part of this equation to the power of 2 in order to eliminate this 1 over negative 1 over 2. Have x power negative 1 over 2. I'll raise this to the power of 2 equals 3. I'll raise it to the power of 2. So if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n, I can multiply this exponent. I will simply have x power negative 2 divided by 2 equals 3 power 2 is 9. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. That x power negative 1 equals 9. Now you have a power negative 1, this equals 1 over a. So x power negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over x, so that means you have 1 divided by x equals 9 is over 1. You cross multiply again, x times 9. 9x equals 1 times 1, we have 1. I divide this by 9, and divide this by 9. 9 eliminate 9. Have x equals 1 over 9. So x equals 1 over 9 using this particular method. So in total, we have 2 different solutions, and we are going to check. We have x equals 0. We have x equals 1 over 9. And that means we have square root of x divided by x equals 3. So we are going to insert each of these values for x to check if it's going to satisfy the equation. We start with when x equals 0, have square root of 0 divided by 0 equals 3. Now square root of 0 is 0. I have 0 divided by 0 equals 3, and 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate or undefined, and this is not 3. So the next case we are going to consider will be when x equals 1 over 9. Have square root of x divided by x equals 3. Our x is 1 over 9. Have square root of 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 9 equals 3. Now if you have square root of a divided by d, this equals square root of a divided by square root of d. So square root of 1 over 9 is the same thing as square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 divided by 1 over 9 equals 3. So square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 9 is 3 divided by 1 divided by 9 equals 3. Now if you have a divided by b divided by c divided by d, this equals a divided by b times d divided by c. So this will simply give us 1 divided by 3 times 9 divided by 1 equals 3. 1 times 9, that is 9 divided by 3 times 1, this is 3, equals 3. And 9 divided by 3 is 3, and this equals 3. So this particular value for x has satisfied the equation, which is 1 over 9. So this has satisfied the equation. So ladies and gentlemen, the only solution we have right now is 1 over 9. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.